Botox-only course is an introductory course for all 4 neuromodulators on the market. Our Botox course provides participants with didactic and hands-on knowledge for safe and effective cosmetic injections.
In our Botox-only course, you will learn how to inject the glabella, frontalis, crow's feet, bunny lines, and a spa brow.
Engage that temporalis muscle. So now I can see at rest, she's got her first scalp line there, one there, and then she had that baby one over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from fusion line to a temporal fusion line, and I'm going to just make sure I knock out that whole frontalis muscle. And she has a little bifurcation here, which we all do. We don't need to inject in that because it's just fascia tissue. And so I'm going to inject. So when she lifts again, she's active here. I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. She's young, she's a millennial. Then I want to assess her recognition.
Although there are a variety of injection techniques, in the Botox-only course, this is a standard treatment that you will learn.
Place your finger here gently to anchor, and you go straight in again, and you're going to bury it straight in. And then you're going to look at your units and go 1, 2. Okay, so now I have 6 units, 2, 4, 6. So then I'm going to come to the tail, and I'm going to come in this way, remember? I've still got my finger this way. And when she scowls, I'm going to go for that pucker. So 1, 2, go in. So the solution's going towards the head, remember? And then I count 2. So now you have 4 units to do your other side.